All right, so today we're talking about Microsoft Edge and some super useful settings that most people either ignore or they just don't know exist. I personally use all of these, and trust me, they make Edge faster, cleaner, and way more useful. Let's get right into it. By default, Edge always opens with Bing. Now, sometimes I do need both Google and Bing. So, what I do is I set Google as my home page. That way, whenever I launch Edge, Google opens first. And if I ever need Bing, I just open it manually in a new tab. Super convenient. Steps: open Edge, click the three dots on top right, go to Settings, click on Start, Home, and New Tabs. Under When Edge Starts, select Open These Pages. Click Add a New Page and paste https://www.google.com. Hit Save, and you're done. Next time you open Edge, Google will be there waiting, just like Chrome. Now, if you don't want Bing at all and just want to stick with Google, here's how to change your default search engine. Open Settings in Edge, go to Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to the section called Search and Services. There you'll find Address Bar and Search. Click on that. Now, the first option says Search Engine Used in the address bar. Just set it to Google. I've already done that on mine, but let's say Google isn't listed there, or you want to add a different search engine, no problem. Right below that, click on Manage Search Engines. Here you'll see a list. Next to each one, there's a three-dot menu. Click that and choose Set as Default. Or if your preferred engine isn't listed, click Add. Just fill in the name, keyword, and URL, and you're done. Simple and easy. To be honest, I don't like Edge's homepage. There's too much going on. Ads, news, stories, even stock updates sometimes. I don't want all that. I just want a clean screen, no distractions, just search and go. And you can totally do that with a few clicks. Open a new tab in Edge. On the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon, select Custom, then change these options: Background, off, quick links, off, content, select content off. Now, when you open a new tab, it's just clean. No random clutter, just a simple browser the way you want it. Sometimes Edge just doesn't behave. Maybe it crashes when you open a tab, or certain sites don't load, or it feels slow even though your PC is fine. In those cases, the best fix is to reset Edge completely, wipe the glitches, and start fresh. Open Edge, click the three dots, go to Settings, scroll down to Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their default values, confirm when it asks. This will remove all tweaks, extensions, homepage changes, everything. But once that's done, you can come back and reapply all the settings we covered just now. Super easy. Now look, I'm not going to reset my settings anyway, but yeah, if you're facing weird bugs or crashes, then go ahead. It can help. So yeah, these were a few simple tweaks that most people skip, but once you set them up, Edge becomes so much better to use. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe. I keep making short, useful Windows fixes, no drama, no fluff, except we'll explore some advanced Edge flags and memory saving tweaks. So stay tuned and keep your system clean with Windows Fixer.